How to play YouTube videos in background while using your Android device. First of all, you need to be aware that there is no any specific way in order to play YouTube in background, but there is a trick I'll show you. Simply open Chrome browser on your device or any browser, that is Safari or anyone. Now tap on the search bar and type in youtube.com and open the official website of YouTube. Ensure to sign in and log in. After that, on the Chrome browser, tap on the three dots at top right corner of the screen and make sure to check mark the desktop side. Once you do that, your screen look like this. Now open any one of the video that you want to play on background. So let's choose it. Once the video starts playing, you need to tap on the bottom center icon to close it and go back to the home screen. When you swipe down, here you can see that our video has been shown on this shortcut menu section. You can tap on the button here and easily play it, and let's increase the volume for now. So as you can see that we have successfully played the YouTube videos in background while using our Android device. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.